What is up fellow riders? In today's video, I'm gonna share with you on the different sizes of thermal bag, various delivery base and rack for your thermal bag, as well as one of, if not the highest quality thermal bag you could find in the market. Before we continue, are you subscribed to our channel? Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you never miss any of our videos. Now, let's start off with delivery rack for your thermal bag. There are two common sizes, 48L rack for thermal bags that are 48 liters and below, and 80L racks are for bags that are 80 liters and below. When purchasing the delivery rack, it usually comes with base plates, screws, as well as nuts and bolts. Base plates, nuts and bolts are very useful for motorbike riders to mount them onto motorbike brackets. You could also do so for your e-bikes, however, for easier installation as well as removing the rack, I'll suggest you that you use cable ties instead as it's secure enough. Some might find the delivery rack too bulky, so an alternative to this rack would be a metal base, which is also commonly known as barbecue mesh. Just like the metal racking, it has both sizes, 48L and 80L. I'm gonna do a quick demonstration on how to mount the metal rack on an e-bike. And if your e-bike or bicycle doesn't already come with a rear rack, you could also purchase it from Million Factory Club or from my Carousell. Links are below. When purchasing the black thermal bag, there are actually some bag frames that has 3 different lengths. What I will first do is to separate out the long, medium and short sticks. After doing so, get 2 long sticks and insert the connectors on each corners. After which, connect the shorter stick together on the sides. Now, take all 4 medium length sticks and connect them together. And all you need to do is to repeat what you did at the base. And before inserting the frame, don't forget to place the black base first. Moving on to sling bags, it ranges from 22L all the way to 100L. However, for today, I'm gonna share with you the sizes from 32L to 80L, as I do not have the 22L and 100L with me. Both 22 and 32L are great for walkers, as when you sling it, it's still acceptable and not too bulky. I've seen quite a number of EcoDrive and G-Move riders using 43L thermal bag. Perhaps due to convenience as well as to protect the controller, they wouldn't want to remove their rear cushion, and they would just simply attach the bag to the e-bike using bungee cord. This size is also recommended for motorbike riders that has a smaller pillion seat. In my last couple of videos when I'm filming at other locations, I would take the train, and when doing so, I would prefer to use the 48L bag as it can easily fit 2 small to medium sized orders. Motorbike riders that has a slightly bigger pillion seat, you have an advantage as you can make use of this bag to put more orders into it. 43L and 48L are commonly used by motorbike riders. However, if you wish to get the 62L bag, then I'll suggest you to get the 80L rack and fix it up to your bike bracket first. Otherwise, it would compromise your seat. For e-bike and bicycle riders, if you can, I would suggest you to get the 80L rack and attach it to your rear bicycle rack, and get this 62L bag as there are times whereby you will get up to 3 stack orders. Trust me, you would thank me later. Now, this is the second biggest thermal bag. The biggest is 100L. Some riders would think that if I'm getting an 80L rack, might as well get an 80L bag instead, as not only it fits just nicely, it is also able to accommodate multiple orders as well. We're now moving on to the highest quality thermal bag, called the Magneto. It is waterproof, and instead of using the traditional Velcro, it uses magnet to secure it. And it even comes with zip, which I would highly recommend riders to get this, as during rainy days, it will help to keep both your bag and your customer's food from getting rain inside of it. Not only that, it also comes with a front pouch which you could put your own personal belongings into it, as well as netting on both sides to load your customers' drinks. In the event, if you want to keep your gold inside this bag, there's even a way to lock the bag and secure it. The Magneto MFC comes in 4 different sizes: 43L, 48L, 62L, and 80L. If you are looking to purchase any of the products in this video, you could head over to Million Factory Club on Carousell to purchase them. Or you could head over to my listings as we supply thermal bags, backpacks, delivery rack, signal lights, and many more. Now, I'm seriously considering to continue this new accessories segment / playlist because it's the most basic yet the most important part of what food delivery riders require. Would appreciate if you could give me a thumbs up on this video if this video have helped you learn something new.